Alright. Hello, how are you? I hope you all are doing very well and I wish you all the best once again. So, the way to say good morning, as you already know, is buenos dias. Buenos dias. In the same way, the way to say good afternoon is buenos tardes. Buenos tardes. Then how will you ask someone? Good afternoon, how are you? Good afternoon, how are you? In informal ways, not formal, informal way. Buenos tardes, ¿cómo estás? Buenos tardes, ¿cómo estás? Good afternoon, how are you? Now the word tardes covers both afternoon and evening. So for evening, you will say the same, good evening, how are you? Buenos tardes, ¿cómo estás? Buenos tardes, ¿cómo estás? Good evening, how are you? And to reply, very well, thank you. You already know, muy bien, gracias. Muy bien, gracias. The way to say you in Spanish is tú. Tú. So, how will you say and you? Someone is asking you good morning, how are you? Or good afternoon, how are you? Good evening, how are you? Then you have to reply to them and you have to ask back also. It's a good manner, you know. And you, y tú. Now combining all together, how will you say, I am very well or simply very well, thank you. And you, muy bien, gracias. With all your heart, you will say, muy bien, gracias. And you, y tú, muy bien, gracias. Y tú, muy bien, gracias. Y tú, and you. I hope you understand this.